Once upon a time, Mr. Paolo, a new teacher, arrived at an old mysterious school. His first class was in room 13, where the students were odd, their eyes cold and distant. Some threw paper balls, others scrolled through their phones, but no one acknowledged him. The air felt heavy, and his voice seemed to vanish into the silence. This generation, lost in their screens and arrogance, didn't fear or respect him. An unsettling chill crept over Mr. Paolo. This classroom wasn't just unruly, it had become a reflection of the disrespect and indifference of today's world.
In this place, you must face what you've ignored.
Saan ba tayo? Ano ba yan, Zay? Ba't mo ginalaw?
Hindi ko naman ginalaw yan.
Hindi ka. Sino?
Ewan!
Huh? Alam niyo? Pumasok na lang tayo.
Inside the book, there was a group called Natatag Curriculum, who's here to help Sir Paolo accomplish its desire, a desire to give knowledge and wisdom, and a solution that depends on the needs of the characters, in order for them to change.
Guys, tingnan niyo to. Ano ba yan? Di ba parte ito ng libro?
Oo nga. So it means...
Nasa libro tayo!
Kayo kasi, dinamay niyo pa kami sa trip niyo.
Oo nga, sinasama niyo pa kami sa library. Ba't parang kami yung tinitisin niyo?
Dapat siya yung sisihin niyo kasi siya yung kumuha ng libro.
Ano ba yan? Tara na nga!
Ano nga akong hawakan? Tara na nga.
Aray!
We must teach them creative thinking.
Yes.
Humingi ng patawad. Humingi ng patawad. Ng patawad.
Kanino? Kanino dapat humingi ng patawad?
Sa libro!
Patawad? Libro? Si Sir Paolo ang author ng libro? So it means, siya ang may pakana nito. Guys, nasa na ba kayo?
They must learn their lesson.
Then we better start from fear.
Bakit? Ano nakita mo?
May tao dun.
Wala naman ah.
Can you see me? Van, tingnan mo, may bata.
Tara, puntahan natin.
Bata, pwede magtanong? Tara, laro tayo. Bata, pasensya ka na pero wala kaming oras makipaglaro ngayon.
Paano ka makalabas dito?
Hindi. Sabi ko, maglaro tayo.
Last would be resilience.
Guys! Asan na ba kayo? Guys!
Respect your teachers, for they help you conquer the fear of knowledge and teach you to fear the darkness of ignorance.
Boy, sa tabak! Sabak mo! Huwag may plano maminaw? Tumog kami nagbuhat sa yung grado? Dili, oy! Kamo!
Ma'am, sir, daghang salamat.
You are our hero.